Did you know that there's a type of fish that can live in both freshwater and saltwater? Salmon are anadromous fish, meaning they migrate from the ocean to freshwater rivers to spawn, adapting to both environments during their life cycle. This remarkable ability is made possible by specialized physiological changes, like altering the function of their gills to regulate salt levels. Their epic journey can cover hundreds of miles, overcoming obstacles like strong currents and waterfalls to reach their spawning grounds. Subscribe and like for more.